Quiet and the world turns cold, I still feel your heartbeat inside my heart. Even if tomorrow takes you far from me, there's a place in my heart where you'll always be. If time tries to erase us, if distance pulls us apart, no matter where life takes you, you never leave my heart. When you're gone, I will always stay beside you. Even when I stand alone, I will always love you. I will always hold you. Forgets its color and the stars refuse to shine, if the world turns silent, your head